All right, just got the word. It's time to acquire used cars. I'm gonna go talk to Mikey. So Mike, we got a problem. We don't have enough used cars. That's what I'm to understand.
That is true. We could use some more.
All right, this is a call to action. If you have a car that you don't need, or that you wanna sell, or if you wanna trade it, any of the above, we wanna buy it. Whether you're gonna buy a car from us or just sell your car to us, the number's gonna be the same, right? There's no, hey, it's this if you trade it or this if you sell it. No, we're gonna give you a number and we need to buy cars.
Yeah, we don't like the typical, car dealership game where some dealers play the over allowance and we're gonna give you this if you buy a car from us. We're gonna give you a number and that number is gonna be whether or not you purchase a car from us regardless.
So Mike is the head honcho for our pre-owned operation, right? Because we've got that beautiful building over there, our new car building, right? That's where we've got all the new cars, and then a carbon copy of it right across the street over here where we've got our pre-owned operation. And how many cars do we have in stock right now?
We've got about 80 right now.
And what are we trying to get to?
Oh my gosh, I'd love to get well north of 100.
Yeah.
Maybe 120.
Okay, 120 would be cool. What about 150? Do we go
150
crazy?
would even be better.
All right. We'll take anything on trade, right? We don't just take Mercedes-Benzes. We've got a very diverse inventory already, right? Like that Corvette's pretty cool. We've got Lexus. We've got a Urus, you said, somewhere?
Yeah, we just bought a Lamborghini Urus, so we just stocked that in. I have an Audi SQ8 that's sitting over there. We've got a good variety of different BMWs in stock, Audis. Of course, we do have Mercedes, so we will buy it all. So
take a walk down here. You got a cool Defender. You got a Range Rover.
Yeah, we do pretty well with the Rovers here. So
absolutely. I'm going to put a link in my bio. It's going to take you right to our website. It's going to take you right into our AccuTrade tool where you can put in your vehicle's information. It's going to ask you a couple of questions. Fill it out as best you can. We're then going to call you, make sure it's all accurate because we want to make sure that you get the most possible money for your car. Right. And what I love about AccuTrade is that it allows us to appraise your car like most dealerships won't. Like, we care what color is it?
Right.
What options does it have? Because a white Defender is more valuable than a red one, for example. And if it's got the sweet wheels and a black roof and all kinds of other cool stuff, that's going to make it more valuable. We want to make sure that we've got all that in there.
Right, yeah, it puts a very large emphasis on the color, the equipment, the condition, and the miles on the car, just to ensure that we're accounting for everything that we can. So
we've got 80 cars in stock. By the end of this month, by the end of this week, I would love if we could get at least 50 cars. That would be amazing. And here's the thing. We'll call you, we'll get all of that information from you. We're gonna give you one number. It's not gonna be some big back and forth negotiation because, as you know, we're gonna give you our best number up front every time, whether you're buying a car or you're trading a car or selling a car. We'll make it really, really, really easy. We'll send you money. We'll send a truck to your house to pick it up and bring it here, or you can drive it here if you want.
Yeah, right? Totally up to you.
We
make it simple.
You gotta get this lot filled up, right? So we could park cars right down here.
You can, I know, we have some space.
Right, look at all this space.
We need some cars.
Look at all this space.
Right.
These cars could be closer.
They could be.
Right, with nice SQ8.
Yeah, like I said, we have a good variety of everything. I mean, hell, we got a GMC Acadia here.
GMC.
We've got different Lexuses. We've, of course, got our Mercedes, Porsches, Audis, BMWs, tons of different options that we have here. So we'd like the opportunity to buy anything. We have a Honda Accord that we just purchased last week, too. So, again, a little bit of everything in stock. We'd like the opportunity to have some more. And then just fill the lot.
No, we'll take anything on trade, right? We'll buy anything. That's the beauty of it. It could be a Ferrari, it could be an old Honda with 300,000 miles. We'll make it work for you. If you want to unload it, we'll make it work. Our preference would be 2018 or newer and 60,000 miles or less.
Right.
Now, again, that's not a hard stop, but those are the cars that we do best with because being a Mercedes-Benz dealer comes with certain expectations of the cars that we're reselling.
True.
And if they're too old and too miley, then sometimes that doesn't work for us. But we'll still buy it from you, and we'll figure it out later.
Like Doug said here, let's see if we can get 50, 60 cars out of this and ramp it up.